Hey, hello. I'm back. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go to the asset library by pressing this icon down here, and I want to go to get assets. And we're going here so we can get the assets for our Angry Birds game. So let's see what we can have. We can have this puzzle pack. Let's see. Okay, this looks good. You can use this for the particle effects that we can add later on. You can also use some of these other things if you want to. Let's go back. Let's see. Ooh, this is good. Yeah, we can use this for all the things that we can have on the scene. Cool. All right, I think that's everything we need. We can always come back to get more assets here. So I'm gonna close this, and these are our asset packs that we just downloaded. Should have everything in there. Awesome. Cool. Yeah. All right, let's start. How are we gonna start this? Let's start with the ground first. Oh, wait, we don't have the ground yet. I'm gonna go back to the asset store to get that. Yeah, this has the ground. I'll get that. Cool. Okay, so this is the platformer starter kit, Grass World, and these are the ground graphics that we're going to be using. So here's the top, and then here's the middle part. All right, cool. So in hyperPad, there's a grid mode. You can just press on this icon right here, and it will toggle on grid mode. And I can just drag these blocks in, and I can build our scene. So I'm gonna press this duplicate button, so I can just keep duplicating it. Okay, cool. I can drag this down here, but I don't want it to be the same sprite. I want it to be the dirt sprite. So I'm gonna press this, which will take you to the asset library, and I want to use this one instead. Now this should be different. Cool. I'm gonna duplicate it. Awesome. I'm gonna press on this icon right here, which will let you select multiple objects at once. Gonna go back to this mode, and I can just move this and duplicate it. Cool. Awesome. We have this scene now. So if I play it, nothing's gonna happen. We don't have anything set up. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to happen. All right. There we go. Just have to move it back there. Cool. You have our scene. Right. Now, let's add some physics to this bad boy. So, going to go to asset library. Let's go back. Let's see. We have this asset pack right here, the platform world. Yep, this has this one in it. Hey, let's go. All right, cool. Now we have this box right here, and if I start the scene, nothing's gonna happen. I want this box to react to physics, so let's press this, and there is this rocket icon that will make it into a physics object. So if I press play now, cool. It's a physics object. Awesome. All right. What's next? Now I just want to build like, let's say we can just build anything we want. Honestly, let's just like play around with this, you know? Yeah, make a little structure right here. Maybe I can use a different sprite for this. Yeah, sure. Why not this one? And I'm gonna move it over here. Cool. We have our scene, the physics objects. If I play it, yeah. So that's how it should be right now. Cool. Let's see how we're gonna do that slingshot mechanic that we were doing in Angry Birds. Let's see. I guess this could be like a little slingshot. I don't know. I'm using sprites that come from the asset library, from the asset packs. There's not much here. Why? Let's use a bomb, you know? Okay. Cool. Yeah, alright. So this is gonna be the bird that's gonna go against these little obstacles over here. So I want this to be a physics object. Alright. And if I play it, not much should happen. Yeah, this moves. Alright, cool. So the way that we want this to work is that when you press on this and drag it back, it should fling back over here. So let's try to do something like that. So I want this little bird or bomb. I'm just gonna call it a bomb. So I'm gonna press on the behaviors right here. And I want to have it so you can drag on the object. So drag and drop. That's this behavior right here. And when I release it, it should fling backwards to where you dragged it from. So I also need a started touching behavior. Cool. I think I need a started touching behavior. I'm just going from what I'm thinking right now. So the way I'm thinking of it is like I can have it get the position of where you initially touched it, and also get it when you stop touching. So I'm gonna select this behavior and I duplicated it. So now I have two get position behaviors. I'm gonna drag this right here. So it gets a position when you start touching and when you stop touching. And I want to subtract the new position by the old position. And this will help us calculate the velocity that this thing should go. So I'm just dragging this right here, getting the x position of that, getting the x position of this one. So just to make this easier to understand, this is gonna be the what's it called? I'm gonna call it a new position. And this is the old position. That should make it easier. I want another subtract values behavior. Do the same thing, but for the y. Cool. We have this thing now. And we can have it set the velocity. So let's do that. Now I want to toggle these off so I can change the x and y velocity. So we have x and we have y. Cool. Let's try this now and see what happens. Cool. So if I drag this back, okay, it went the opposite way. So let's switch these. You always have to test it. If something doesn't work, we always address it. I'm just gonna do this. So old pose, new pose. Okay, cool. Now, if I drag this back, there, it goes that way. But the force is too weak. So let's multiply it. Now it doesn't have to be in a straight line. I can just move it right here. So let's say we want it to multiply by 10. I'm going to duplicate this behavior, move it down here, and do that. So what I'm essentially doing is just multiplying the difference between the old and the new position so I can get more of a force. So now if I drag this back, oh yeah, that's awesome. Let's do that again. That was fun. Okay. Well, this thing right here is blocking the way. Let me just, make a scenery object. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna make this into a wall object, but when you release it, I want it to become a physics object. So right now, this is a wall object, and what wall objects are, they're just physics objects, but gravity doesn't affect them. So it's not moving right now. If I drag it back, it does move because of the set velocity behavior, but it doesn't react to like other collisions with other objects. So let's turn this into a physics object by using the set physics mode behavior. And it's already selected the right physics mode. So let's leave it that. And I can just right here. So when I release my finger on this object, it should turn into a physics object. So if I drag this back, let's say, yeah, that looks good. Maybe let's make this force a little bit stronger. Let's say 12.5. Okay, let's move this back. Yeah, I think that's good. Cool. We're like halfway done with this. We're almost done with this. We just have to make like the boxes destroy and add like a little objective for this game. So let's see how we're gonna do this. All right, I'm gonna select all of this, and I'm gonna go to this tags uh, right here. Oh, hold on, someone's knocking on my door. Oh, okay, okay. Hey, Crystal, I'm back. Hey, I'm back. All right, my bad. Where was I? All right, cool. So I'm gonna select the multi-select mode and select all of these objects. And I want all these objects to be in a tag. I'm gonna press this right here. And let's make it so I want to add a new tag for them. I'm gonna add a new destructible tag. And I press the plus button there. So these objects are now in the destructible tag. Now the tag does not do anything right now, but we can make it do something. So there are many ways to do this, but I'm gonna try to do the simple way. So there is this global properties icon right here. If you press on it, it will show you all of these things. But I'm more curious about the behaviors. So I'm gonna press on that. Cool. Now the cool thing of tags is that you're able to do a lot of things. You're able to do things on multiple objects at the same time. So I want to have the objects be destroyed when a lot of force is applied to them. So I'm gonna do a collision event. And I want to have it so when a destructible object comes in contact with our little bomb, it should destroy. So if I go down here, press get the destroy object behavior, I can also make it use this tag. So if the bomb collides with a destructible object, then the destructible object is destroyed. You don't have to worry about this permanent toggle. That's a little more technical, but if I press play and I hit these boxes, they get destroyed. Cool. But you may have noticed that it doesn't matter if the bomb is like going really fast or really slow, the boxes get destroyed anyways. So yeah, it destroys them on contact. So we need to make it have a check that says, oh, if there's like enough force, then let's destroy it. So there is an if behavior. Let's use this if behavior. Yeah, all right. And the collision event behavior outputs an impulse. Oops, let me just, yeah, impulse right here. Now the impulse is how much force is applied to the object when the bomb has collided with it. But I'm not really sure how big this number is, so let's debug this. Um, let's add a little text bubble. So use a destructible tag, and I want to debug the impulse. So this is going to spit out how big the number is. So let's play it. Uh-oh, the objects are gone. I forgot to disable this behavior. My bad. Okay, cool. Now this should be in the scene. If I just hit them, yeah, it's just being a lot of numbers. 40,000. That is a big number. Wow. But yeah, the reason why they're outputting such huge numbers is because these objects are really heavy. 20 kilograms. Oh my gosh. Well, let me just make this a little smaller. In reality, a box is not 20 kilograms, especially for this size. So let's see what the numbers output now. Ooh, 0. You can see how easier it is for the bomb to move the boxes because they're lighter. Okay, I'm just gonna guess. So, oops. In the global behaviors, let's say around like 50,000 newtons. I think the units are in newtons. So, every time the bomb collides with a destructible object, if the impulse force is greater than 50,000 newtons, then destroy the object. So, I think that should be good. Let's try. Yeah, that seems right. I feel like the boxes are too light now. 1.5 kilograms. Let's see. Yeah, that's awesome. But you know what? Let's just make this scene really big. Okay, yeah. Then I'm gonna move this all the way over here. Now you're probably wondering how we're gonna fit this all on screen. There are behaviors that let you control um, where your screen is. So I'm gonna be using those. All right. Yeah. So that's pretty far. So I can also just click on this right here, press screen view, and you can tap to adjust it. So I can adjust how big the screen is. So I want the screen to start right here, maybe. Or actually, you know what? Let's move the screen over here. So I move the screen right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the global properties and have the screen move. So what this behavior does is it moves the screen to wherever you want it to move. So I want it to move to over here to where the bomb is, so we can drag it. Maybe I could move it right here. You know what? Yeah, let's just move it right there. There can be like a duration of 1 second, so you can change how long it takes for the camera to move to that point. So if I play this, it's gonna show this. It's gonna move to here. Ooh, that's way too far. Uh-oh. I think. Okay. Yeah. I have to change my screen aspect ratio. So I'm gonna go back to the behaviors. Go here. I wanted to move to this bomb. Cool. So it's gonna show this. Then it's gonna do this. Okay, it's still doing that thing. I could just use screen to object. I think that will work better. Screen to object. So this is going to move the screen to the object, which self-explanatory. Awesome. Now we can just drag this back and it should shoot. But of course, the bomb's gonna go off screen. So I want to make it so when you release your finger on this bomb, the screen will follow it. So how we do that? Oh wow, there's some people in the chat. Hey guys. So I'm gonna use the screen follow behavior and drag it under the or stop touching. My bad. So right now it follows the X and the Y. So let's see how that looks. So it shows this. I want to drag it back and oh wow. It works. It works. Okay. It's just that it's not in the middle of the screen, so I want to move the screen to the object so that the object is in the middle of the screen. Let's add like a little duration to it. Why not? Cool. So if I drag this, right. So we have this little scene right here. When we start it, it shows this for a second and then pans to the bomb. I think I can add a little delay to it. So I can add a wait behavior. So we have time to see what the scene actually is. So I'm gonna wait for like maybe 2.5 seconds. So if I play it, 2 for 5 seconds. Yep. And then you can just drag this bomb. It'll just hit the objects. Nice. Cool. Now I want to add a wall right here because I hate when it keeps dropping out of the map or going out of the map. So um, I could just add a little empty object. So to do that, I can just press on this flask icon and press empty object. And right now it's transparent, but I want it to be visible. So let's change the color of it. Um, let's see, what are we feeling today? Well, Crystal, pick a color for me. You like blue? What type of blue? What type of blue are you feeling? Sapphire blue? Is that like green? Okay, okay, bet. Okay. So I can stretch this using the green circles. And I want this to not be passable because I don't want the bomb to pass through it. I want it to hit the wall and be able to come out of it. Okay, so we have this scene here. Cool. Now I'm gonna move this back. Hey, and it hits the wall. Cool. Now it doesn't do anything when the bomb stops moving. So let's try something. I'm gonna put this in the global behaviors actually. Um, I think it's better to do it that way. So let's have it so when what was it? It was like when it's idle, something like that. Idle, or is it? Okay, there we go. Active state became idle. Cool. So for this behavior, I'm going to select the bomb, and right now the event is became active, but I want to change it to become idle. So what this does is this behavior will execute other behaviors when the object is no longer moving. So it's perfect for our case because we want to detect when the bomb has um, stops moving. So let's have it so the bomb moves to its original position. So it automatically fills in the X and the Y, so I don't have to worry about that. Set the duration to 0. And I want to set this back to a wall object, which is what it originally was. So add another set physics mode behavior, set it to wall, select the object, and I want to affect the bomb object. Cool. So I have this scene. When I drag this back, boom, I hit the objects, and when I stop moving, it will reset. So I can do it again actually. Oh wow. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Cool. Yeah, alright. Why did it do that? Okay. It was because the screen was still following it. So let's make it stop following the screen. So I'm gonna get another screen follow behavior and select the bomb. But this time I want to disable X and Y so it stops following it. And I wanted to move back to the bomb. So I'm gonna duplicate this behavior and do that. So cool. So what we're doing here, um, when the bomb becomes idle, so when it stops moving, it will move to its original position. It will become a wall object. The screen will stop following it, and the screen will move to the bomb. Yeah, I guess we can leave that as it is. Cool. Let's play around with this. Yep. And it resets. Awesome. And I can just keep doing this. Cool. It's functional. It works. Oh, let me hit that last one. Hold up, hold up. Hey, cool. I hit all of them. All right. That's like the main functionality done. That's crazy. Let's have fun with this. Let's add particle effects. So how do we add particle effects in hyperPad? I'm gonna go to the asset library, go to create effects, and we have two options here. We can create a sound effect, and we can create a particle effect. I don't know how sound effects will apply to the stream. I don't know if it's gonna work. So let's just play with particle effects for now. It'll be good. Hey, okay, this is what we start with. This is fire, literally. All right, explosions. We want it to explode because that's cool. And there are a lot of settings that we can modify here. Most of them are self-explanatory. So I'm gonna go to graphics down here, and I can just press on this icon right here. That will change the sprite that the particle uses. So I can change it to be a bomb if I wanted to. I'm gonna change the color to be whitish. Yeah. Gonna change it to normal. Let's see. All right. I do remember downloading an asset pack just for the particles. I think it was the puzzle pack. So yeah, particles. Oh wow, there's a bunch of options we can use. Star looks good. We have this one. Wow, this one. Yo, Crystal, which one should I pick? Which one of these particle icons should I pick? This one? Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling the star. This looks good. Okay, yeah, you can adjust the colors to this. I set the end size to be small. Yeah. You want a pink? Okay, bet. Let's make it pink. Yeah, let's make it pink. Honestly, that looks good. Wow. Cool. Let's make this spin around a little bit. Oh my gosh, this looks good. Okay, now when you're done editing your particle effect, I'm gonna press save down here. And we can name this whatever we want. I'm just gonna call this destroy. Boom. We have created our particle effect. Now I'm gonna go back. And I'm gonna go back. Cool. We have a particle effect. Now how do we make these boxes create those particle effects? So I'm gonna go back to the global behaviors, which is where our boxes are destroyed, right here. And I'm just gonna add a start particles behavior and plug that in under here. So this is in the same place where the destroy object behavior is. So I'm gonna use the destructible tag because I want to affect the destructible object, and I want to select the particle, which is this one. Cool. Now this should work off the box or out of the box. Not bad. Okay, let's see. Boom. Yep. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. That's fun. That's fun. Let's add a score system too while we're at it. So there are different layers in hyperPad. There's a global UI, a scene UI, and you can have multiple main UIs. But right now we only have one, which is just this one. So I'm gonna go to the global UI layer, which allows us to add like UI layers. So if your screen moves, the UI layer still stays in place, which is pretty useful. So I'm gonna add a label, and to add any object other than a graphic object, I press on the flask, and I press on label. And this should provide us with a label that we can edit. So I'm gonna move this up here. Now, right now, just for the sake of the stream, I'm not gonna worry about the different screen sizes, we can have a stream specifically just for that, because there is a lot that does play into designing for a lot of different screens. So this is gonna be the score, and I want to have the number next to it. Let's make this a different color too. Yeah. So we start with 0. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Now the reason why it's not on the top right corner is because of this pause button. But then again, I can move this pause button, so let's do that. So right now it's in the top left, but I can change it to be the top right, which is going to be over here. So this is going to be on the top right of the screen. So I can just move this over here now. Awesome. Cool. We have a little score. It doesn't do anything right now. We have to program that. So to do that, we're going to go back to our global behaviors. And there is a really simple behavior for this. It's called add to score. It does exactly what it does, what it says. It adds to a score. It's really easy. So I'm just gonna plug that in, and I want to toggle this on, so there's no like limit to how much score you can get. And I press this, and I want to select this one. So this is the label that's gonna get affected. And let's say we can add, let's have 50 per every box that you hit with a bomb. So wait for this to work. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I love that. But I do feel like it's kind of hard to see what's going on when the screen is following the bomb. So maybe let's change that. I'm gonna okay. Let's make it not follow the bomb. So I'm gonna delete this screen follow behavior, and I'm gonna use this behavior again. Let's see if this wants to work. Okay, and I want the camera to move around here. Yeah. All right. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. It is a little off center. I don't like that. Okay. Okay. We can also have it zoom out. So let's use this behavior. Zoom screen. And how much is the zoom right now? Let's see. Screen view. So if I hover over this, 0.72. All right. Cool. Let's make this like 50% zoomed in. And yeah, maybe have a transition. I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm just balling this. Oh, oh, I love that. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh no, where did it go? Hold on. Nah, this is fun, honestly. Drag this back. There you go. Oh, that's so cool. I know. Let me hit this last one. Hold up. There we go. 1,000 score. Yay. Okay. So of course I can just fling the bomb like so far away. So like I can just fling it up if I wanted to. So if I do this, you know, it doesn't even show up on screen. And it's stuck here on this state forever. Oh, never mind. It's back. What if I do this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Hmm. Let me add another wall to this other side too. Cool. Yeah, it's like a little fish tank. Fish tank. And yeah, let's make it into a little fish tank. You know what? Yeah, let's add a roof to this because I don't want the bomb to escape. But yeah, I want to have like boundaries around the map so the bomb doesn't escape. Because if it does, then it's not gonna come back to this spot right here. So I'm gonna move it back. Oh no, this wall's blocking the way. Okay, I should have thought of that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I should have. I can just move this back. Yeah. This is not perfect, I know. Okay. Yeah, it's good enough. Let me just duplicate this. Yeah, maybe to here. Oh, oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, I just have to move it a little bit. Okay, that's fine. That works. Awesome. Cool. Now we have the scene. It's gonna show this. I'm gonna pull it back. Boom. Yes. That is so satisfying. Yeah. Let's play around with this. You know what? Let's go crazy. Let's make this into a big little tower. I'll make this a big freaking tower. Okay, let me just move this one. Yeah. This could be at the very top. This is like the item you have to destroy. Oh, that's so cool. Uh, okay, cool. There. I have these towers that I have to destroy. Oh my god. Let's see how this is gonna look. Oh no, it's already tipping over. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, but you're hitting boxes. Hmm. Hold on. I gotta do something. Yeah, I think this is too small. I'm gonna make this bigger because it is too easy to destroy the box. All right, let's see. Ooh, it went through the box. Okay,
Powerful.
it's really powerful. Oh, okay. Look, watch. You don't even need to have much force to actually destroy it. I think this needs to be bigger.
Yeah.
Add another zero to this.
Literally OP.
So you just have to touch it and it destroys itself.
It's
I want it
already.
to have, yeah, I want to have like a little threshold. Ooh, okay. So what if I just like pull it slightly? Oh,
Oh, not
eh,
hard
eh.
enough.
I can just drag it. Oh,
Rage.
that's so funny. This is fun. This is fun. There needs to be more.
Put it to like 10 million or something.
This is like 5 million. Okay, this is 5 million. Okay, let's drag this back. Okay, it looks the same, but let's see if I like. Oh,
Oh.
wait. What if I like move it slowly? Okay, it does have like a little bit. It's like glass.
Yeah. It's like,
But if I hit it hard, then it shatters. I like that. I like that. I think it's pretty good.
it's got a good effect. You can
that
play.
that one doesn't destroy itself. Why isn't that breaking? Oh, okay.
Oh,
There we go. Okay, I think it's good. I think 5 million is good.
yeah.
It is a pretty big number.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm. Is it gonna reset?
You could. Did you
Why
put the
isn't it
settings here?
resetting? Yeah. It's not resetting. Uh-oh. Wait, can I still drag it? I can. Oh no. This is not supposed to happen. Let's fix that. Alright. Cool. Cool. So let's have a set behavior state behavior. So this is what allows you to disable and enable behaviors. Um, oh wait, I'm in the wrong one. No, actually, hold on. Let me just. Okay. So this is where it resets it, right? So I'm gonna go on here, and I'm gonna select the drag behavior. This is the behavior that we use to have the bomb be draggable. So I want to enable this when it resets, but in the bomb, I wanted to disable it so we can't drag it when it's in midair or whatever. So disable the drag and drop. So it's disabling this behavior right here. It turns it off when I release my finger. So let's try that. Let's test it. Drag this back. Boom. Okay, I can't see the bomb.
It's gone.
It's gone. Okay. See, I can drag it, and it's not letting me drag it. Okay, cool. 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 Got this to work. Nice. I like this. This is fun.
Good game choice.
Yeah. We need to have an objective for this. So what do you feel like the objective should be? Should it be like the minimum score that you need to beat this level or something like that?
Oh, let's do Angry Birds style. You have to remove certain objects in order to get into the next level.
Oh, okay. So that's these ones. Clever.
Yeah.
All right. And there's like a limited amount of tries that you can have, I think, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go to the tags right here, and it's marked as destructible because it is an object that can be destroyed. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna call it a goal because the goal is to destroy these objects. So I'm gonna add it, and then I'll also add it for these other ones. So now we have 3 objects that we need to destroy to beat the level. So we can have it check like every now and then if all of them are gone from the scene and display like a victory screen. So let's work on the victory screen first. I feel like that's a little easier right now. So I'm gonna go to the overlays and I'm gonna add an overlay. So hyperPad allows you to create your own. Oh, what the? Yeah, hyperPad allows you to create your own overlays, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna call this one victory. And sure, I guess we can preload it and create it there. So this is what it looks like right now. And I just wanted to display, oh, you won, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you won. Really simple. And then you have the option to like restart the level or quit the game. So let's add those. So you can either restart or quit. I might add more levels to this, but I don't know how much time we're gonna have for that. Okay, cool. So I have this restart and quit button. Let's work on the restart first. So let's say when you touch this label, then restart. It's that simple. So there is a load scene behavior. And right now it says select scene, but I wanted to restart the scene. So when I start touching this object, then restart the scene. So it's actually in the load scene behavior. This behavior does a lot of stuff. So you can select the custom scene to load. You can go to the next one. You can go to the previous one. But for this case, I wanted to restart the scene. Okay, and then for this one, I wanted to quit. So when I touch this object, then quit. So there is a quit behavior right here. Just plug that in and you're done. So yeah, cool. We have our overlay right here. Let's go back to our original scene with our Angry Birds. Cool. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I guess we can put the behaviors in the bomb object. So behaviors. Cool. So we can have it check for the objects for like on a timer. So right now it does it every second. We can just leave it as that. And to get how many of how many objects there are for a specific tag, we can use the get object behavior. Cool. So we can get objects by tag. And we can enter in the tag that we used. So for this case, we used the goal tag. So if I go back here, we use the goal tag. So I'm gonna go back here, goal. Cool. So, what this behavior outputs is it outputs a lot of things, but I'm going to use this behavior right here, get array count, because this behavior outputs a list of objects, and I want to get how many objects are in that list. So, I'm going to put this here. So there is a lot. We're focusing on this one. So this is going to output the list of objects. And what this behavior does, it outputs the amount of items or amount of objects in that list. So if that is 0, then we win. Cool. And then we can load that overlay that we just created earlier. Victory. Cool. And to make sure that this doesn't keep repeating itself, I'm going to disable the if behavior. So I'm going to grab the set behavior state behavior again and select the if behavior on top of it. So that's this one. So this will turn off once this is executed, so it doesn't keep repeating itself. Cool. Yeah. I guess we can try it. Let's try that. Yeah. Can move this here. I have to destroy like the bottom first. Then I have to destroy the boxes, the coins. Uh-oh. It's not resetting. Okay, never mind. I can still like
You can still smash stuff.
I'm not allowed to do this, but ooh, I got 2 of them.
Oh,
The last
one.
one's on the right. I can't see
Yep.
it.
Maybe if you destroy all, it'll come back.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's not oh, it's not resetting.
Oh no.
Okay, let's add like a little time limit to this because it takes forever to reset. So I'm gonna go to the global properties, and I'm gonna have it so after you stop touching, or after you release your finger from the object, you should have like a 10-second timer. I think 10 seconds is too long. I don't know. Maybe 8 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, 8 seconds, and then it will do everything under here. So that. Cool. But here's the thing. What if the object resets before this timer ends? It's just going to reset twice. We don't want that. So I'm going to duplicate this behavior. This is the set behavior state behavior. And I wanted to disable this wait behavior right here. Boom. Cool. So now this behavior gets disabled when this is happening. But we have to make sure that it enables itself before it tries to run it again. So cool. We have that done. So after 8 seconds, if nothing happens, it will just reset. So you shouldn't have to wait that long to play again. Oh, that's fun.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh yeah, it came back. Okay, cool. I don't have to wait so long. Just wait 8 seconds. Whoa. Where are the boxes? The yellow ones.
Maybe they're because it's a bit far.
Yeah, it's pretty far. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make it zoom a little farther, so like 25.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll move the camera around here somewhere. I'm just guessing. Yeah, all right. But when it resets, I want it to zoom back to normal. So okay, I can just do this. So when it resets, set the zoom back to normal, which is around 75%, I think. I don't know. I'm just eyeballing it.
Good enough, you know.
Cool. Whoa, that was way too far. Whoa. Okay. Let me just put this under here. Okay, so it zooms after you move to the object. Okay. And then yeah, it was too far. Let's go back to this one. 25% is too far. Let's say 40. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. And then okay. Hey, it works.
I mean, yeah.
It works.
Your parameters were met.
That's so cool.
One more.
Oh wait, there's one the yellow one right here. I don't know if I got it.
Almost there.
Okay, work. How can I get that yellow one over there? Hmm. Can I like put it in the ground? Does that work? It glitches.
Mm,
Nope, it doesn't work.
I mean, no.
If I put it in the ground, it's not gonna work. I have to like move it back this way. Ooh, ooh. Dang, it's pretty hard.
Damn.
I got an idea. I got an idea. What if I elevate this? Like, just move it up. Maybe we can just have like some boxes over here. Or actually, these should be something else. I want these to be different. Let's see. What do we have? Gray bricks, water. We can make the tower out of
Oh,
water. I think.
that'll
Oh
be
yeah, this
interesting.
fits. This fits. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
That's pretty. I like that.
Okay, okay. Cool. I have to make sure that it actually resets to this position because it's just gonna move back to its old position. Let's go back to the goal behaviors. So yeah, these numbers didn't change at all. I'm gonna press this again. I'm gonna press the check mark button. Let's see why the Y is different. Okay, cool. Let's do this again. Oh, this is perfect. Eh.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's better. There's a
Yeah, that's
lot.
actually that looks almost exactly like Angry Birds.
Ooh, ooh, okay.
That was clean.
Of course, if you give me like a lot more time than like 2 hours or however long we're doing this, this will look a lot better.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, this is what we can create in like an hour, which is not bad. Oh, what? Come on,
You
let me
actually
hit
did it
that.
under an hour if you think about it.
Yeah.
30
This is what
minutes
we have
work.
right now.
This is literally
Uh,
work smart, not hard.
I'm trying to hit that. I'm trying to hit the yellow ones. Okay, let's.
It's a bit far though.
Oh, I hit one of them.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm trying to hit this last one. Hold up. How am I gonna hit this last one? No, overshot it.
Nah, that's way too hard. You probably gotta clear the others.
Yeah. Oh, hit it!
Oh,
It wasn't strong enough. It hit the box, but it didn't break it. Ooh.
literally. Well, technically you have unlimited tries, so it's not that.
Yeah.
You haven't put parameters for the tries.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This okay. This is gonna take forever. Okay. Let's just there. There. You can see all of those. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna try something. I feel like when the boxes fall down, they don't destroy themselves. It's only when the bomb hits it. So let's do
Yeah,
something about that.
I guess I think it in Angry Birds they kind of like make the boxes hit each other with damage. So
Yeah.
they each have health. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. So I'm just gonna change this. So instead of like just checking when it hits the bomb, you should check for every other object in the scene. So
Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna disable this. So it says any object, right?
Yeah.
But I want it to happen with all the boxes, all the destructible objects. So
Ooh.
hyperpad allows you to select specific objects to do operations with. So I'm gonna get another get object behavior right here. And I want to do the destructible objects. Cool. So now that's done. I'm gonna connect it to the collision event, and I want to drag this into here. So what this is doing is that if any of the destructible objects are colliding with any object in the scene, then it will trigger. So this should trigger regardless of what object it hits. So whenever it hits the ground or when it hits another box, it should destroy too. Whoa!
That was
I
fast.
did not expect that.
I guess our math is wrong.
Oh my god. Hold on, let me do that again, but a little slower if I just do this.
Whoa.
What? That's crazy. Oh, I think I know what's wrong. Okay. I have to disable tags for these ones. Unuse this one, object A. Because it's using this one right here, object A. I want to destroy the object A instead of the second object. So object A. Okay. It should be working now as intended. It shouldn't be too easy. Ooh, there we go. They don't destroy themselves. It's like interesting.
Oh, we're back at square one.
It works with the bomb, but not when it hits another object. I think this it could be that this is too high. Because the bomb is extremely heavy. It's 20 kilograms. But these boxes are like 1.5 kilograms. Okay, let's try to decrease this. Okay, the bomb is lighter now. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is so much better. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this looks
Oh, that's
really
satisfying. That is so satisfying. I love that. Destroy this one. Yeah. How about this one? This one right here. Yeah. I did it. Oh, that was fun.
nice.
Okay, cool. Now let's add lives. So I'm gonna press this, and there are a lot of options. I'm gonna press life indicator. This is what allows us to have hearts in the game. So it starts with 3, but you can have as many as you want. So I'm gonna move this here. So we start with 3 lives. Cool. So okay, so every time you release your finger, we're gonna subtract from the life indicator. So we're gonna do, I think it's set life indicator. Yeah, set life indicator. And instead of set lives, I want to subtract lives, and I want to subtract by 1. Cool.
I love the little heart emoji. It's so
cute. Yeah. All right. Oh no. Wait, I didn't add this to the right layer. Yeah, I'm gonna add this to the global UI layer. There we go. That's better. That's much better. Oops. Okay. Select this. Cool. I'm gonna play it again. Now every time I release my finger from this bomb, it's gonna use a life. So now I only have 2 tries left. Ooh. I think 3 tries is too hard. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I might just set it to 5 tries.
I will put 10.
10.
I am not this game if it was 5.
This game is pretty hard. So yeah, we don't have any more lives, but we can still use our bomb because we don't have a check against that. So let's add that. I'm also gonna increase this. 10. There we go. That's more like that. 10 lives.
I'm better than a cat.
Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. So let's right. I think let's go to the global UI layers or the global properties. So this is where the boxes are destroyed. This is where resets. Okay, cool. So hmm, let me just disconnect all of these. Does take a little while, but it works. I'm gonna add a behavior bundle right here. So this is just like a behavior that organizes your behaviors. So I can just hold on this and it will do that. So now all the behaviors are inside this behavior. And I'm going to call this one reset bomb because that's what it does. So every time it resets, it will call this. So cool. Now I want to have a check. Let's see. Get life indicator. Yeah. So this already selected the right one, the right object. So that's cool. Oops. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. All right. Cool. So I want to get the life indicator and I want to have a check that will see if it's greater than 0. So if the lives, if lives is greater than 0, then it can reset. If not, game over. So we're gonna need to make a game over screen unless hyperpad already comes with one. Yeah, there's already a game over screen. So let's use that as a placeholder. Cool. We have 10 lives.
How many chances?
Ooh. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh wow, I did it on my first shot.
Oh, okay. We won already. What a great note to end on.
Yeah.
Just in time too.
Okay. Yeah, I think 5 lives is good.
Oh, come on. You're just making it way harder now.
Wait, I did it on my first shot. Nah, I think I could do it in 5 lives. Oh my gosh, I went through those.
See? It's the 10 life thing.
Look at the last one. The last
Oh,
one's on the edge.
I think that's impossible.
I can probably hit that. I just have to hit the wall.
Oh, you actually got it. Okay. Congratulations. That's
Jeez.
crazy. And this is how you make a game in under an hour.
Great. Oh, it didn't reset my lives. Oh, it
Oh,
didn't reset my score either. Oh, that's cool. It's
oh,
treating
cool.
it like it's a new level, but it's not.
Yeah. Interesting. Well, I guess you can figure out the tweaks of it later
There.
down.
I lost all my lives. Game over.
Game
It
over.
works. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Robinson.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey.
That's
Um,
everything, right?
yeah, literally.
Yay! Yeah. We just need to like polish it more if you want to put it in the app store.
Oh,
And
yeah, literally.
yeah, this is just a little prototype, so you can create prototypes really fast if you know your way around hyperpad. It's really good.
Yeah, it's really convenient and fast and high quality too. I would say
Right.
you could definitely create like something like you could put on the App Store within a week or less.
Right.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, this is
So,
just me playing around, you know? This is why I made him an hour.
yeah, and you literally didn't have a plan before.
Yeah, I did not prepare for this either. I just did it.
Just came up from class and I was like, you know what I'm making today? Angry Birds.
Yeah. I love
Okay.
this.
Well, let me. Can you stop the screen share by any chance?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, well, thank you so much, everyone. Well, we've reached the end of the journey today so far. And yeah, Robinson, want to give a little recap of some key takeaways?
So, in short, I started creating this Angry Birds game. We added the ground, and then we added the objects that the bird should destroy, and then after that we added the bird. But in reality, it's just a bomb. There was no asset for the bird, so we just added a bomb to the scene, and we made the bomb be able to be dragged back, and you can just fling it across the scene. And then after that, we added a score system, and then we added a life indicator. So
Yeah,
Such a big.
too easy. Also, FYI, I've tried it before. You can customize it and put any kind of asset you can imagine there. So you can literally put your friend's face for like
Yeah,
the ball.
yeah. You can
So yeah,
put any asset in there. I just didn't have any. I just I just stole some from an asset store.
because you just
So
woke up and decided to make it.
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, everything in an asset store is free to use. And there are other stuff that you can use online that you can use for free too. So you're not limited to the catalog that HyperPad provides. So you do
Yeah.
have a
And
wide variety of assets that you can use from other people if you like.
yeah, and we're collecting resources as well from like stuff that are free online that you can use just for fun or to even create games for the App Store. It's in progress and some blogs already up there to help you out. Yeah, so remember our support doesn't end here. If you're thinking about starting out, looking to take your game development skills to the next level, we've got resources and a lot of support available to help you along the way. From tutorials like the one we just did to documentation available on our website and community forums run by Robinson on Discord, um, and even one-on-one assistance if needed. We're super committed to helping you succeed in your game development journey. Once again, thank you all for your participation, and I look forward to seeing the amazing creations you'll bring to life with HyperPad. Until next time, happy creating and follow us on socials to stay in touch. We have weekly blogs and are more than happy to work with you on any project you're interested in. Just reach out. Happy creating, everyone. See you, Robinson. Thank
See ya.
you.
Take care, guys. I love you.
Love you too.